Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on the DTC U0131, which indicates a PF-CAN-A and PD-CAN-B malfunction in the 2023 Honda Accord. The DTC code U0131 relates specifically to communication issues between the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, and the Electric Power Steering, or EPS, control unit. This can occur when the PCM fails to receive signals, or when it detects continuous abnormal information from the EPS control unit. Such issues may arise due to various problems, such as a faulty EPS control unit, loose connections, or issues within the vehicle's wiring. Understanding this error code is critical for effective troubleshooting and ensuring that the vehicle operates correctly. We will go through the components involved, possible causes, symptoms, troubleshooting steps, and solutions to resolve this DTC. The DTC U0131 indicates a failure in communication between the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, and the Electric Power Steering, or EPS, control unit through the PF-CAN-A and PD-CAN-B lines. The PCM is a critical component that controls various engine functions and receives data from multiple sensors. The EPS control unit manages the steering assistance, directly impacting how smoothly the vehicle steers. This communication failure may occur if the PCM cannot detect a signal from the EPS control unit, or if it continually receives incorrect data over a specific cycle. It's essential to understand that this issue often suggests a problem with the power or ground circuit of the EPS unit. Therefore, before delving deeper into diagnostics, checking the power and ground connections to the EPS control unit is crucial. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC U0131 being stored in the vehicle's diagnostic system. First, a malfunction within the EPS control unit itself can disrupt its ability to communicate effectively with the PCM. This component is vital for correct steering operation, and any internal error can lead to signaling issues. Another common cause could be a failure in the power or ground circuits supplying the EPS control unit. If these circuits are compromised, it may prevent the unit from functioning correctly, resulting in communication errors. Furthermore, loose or damaged connections within the wiring harness that connects the PCM and EPS can also trigger this DTC. Identifying and rectifying these issues will be essential before further diagnostics. When the DTC U0131 is present, you may experience several symptoms indicating that there's a malfunction. One of the most noticeable symptoms is a failure in the steering assist, which can lead to heavy or unresponsive steering, making the vehicle harder to maneuver. Additionally, drivers may see warning lights on the dashboard related to the steering or powertrain systems, signaling that there's a problem requiring attention. Furthermore, in some cases, the vehicle may exhibit loss of communication errors displayed in the diagnostic system. It's crucial to pay attention to these symptoms, as they can significantly impact driving safety and vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC U0131 is to ensure that the vehicle is properly positioned in on mode. This means turning the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Once in this mode, it's essential to wait for approximately 6 seconds to allow all systems to initialize and stabilize. During this time, the onboard diagnostic system will conduct checks and assess if any DTCs are stored. After waiting, you should proceed to check the vehicle's diagnostic system for any stored error codes. This initial step is critical, as it helps confirm the presence of the DTC and understand the system's current state, providing a solid foundation for subsequent troubleshooting efforts. After completing the necessary repairs and adjustments as outlined, the next crucial phase involves verifying the effectiveness of those repairs. Start by clearing any DTC codes from the vehicle's memory to reset the system. Following this, a test drive is essential. Taking the vehicle for a brief drive allows for the monitoring of systems under actual driving conditions, assessing the repair's impact. During the test drive, it's essential to be observant for any warning lights that may reappear. If after the test drive, no warning lights are illuminated and no DTCs reappear, it strongly indicates that the repairs were successful. Documenting this verification process ensures thoroughness and accountability in vehicle maintenance. Preventive maintenance is vital in avoiding future occurrences of DTC U0131 and ensuring the vehicle's reliable operation. One essential practice is to regularly check all electrical connections related to the EPS and PCM systems. Loose or corroded connections can lead to communication failures, so keeping these tight and clean is paramount. Additionally, inspecting the power and ground circuits regularly can help identify any potential issues before they result in a DTC. It might also be beneficial to keep the vehicle's software updated. Manufacturers often release software updates designed to resolve known issues, enhance performance, and ensure better communication between systems. In summary, understanding the DTC U0131 is crucial for any technician or owner of a Honda Accord 2023 or later. The EPS control unit and the PCM play vital roles in vehicle operation, and communication errors between them can lead to significant steering issues. The first step in addressing this DTC is checking the power and ground circuits to the EPS control unit, as most problems originate there. Effective troubleshooting steps must be followed sequentially to identify the root cause accurately. The implementation of preventive maintenance strategies will also play a crucial role in minimizing the risk of future DTCs. Properly addressing and understanding these aspects ensures the continued reliability and safe operation of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.